In this guide, I will show you step by step how to cancel Airwings flight ticket. So if you want to cancel your flight ticket, follow me in these steps. First, go to Google, search for Airwings flight ticket, click rebooking and cancellation. This is the first website here. You will see this page. And then all you have to do, you should be read all these terms and conditions, and then click on this option. As you can see here, click on cancellation. Click on this option, you will see this option. To cancel, you should be schedule your flight ticket. If you don't use schedule, you should be reschedule your ticket and then click flight cancellation. When you click flight or cancellation, you will see this page. You have two options in this page. You have booking codes and you have last name. All you have to do in this section, just write your booking code. For example, this is your booking codes, and then write your last name. After that, click open booking. So when you click open booking, you have access to cancel your booking ticket or flight tickets. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.